In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the time format on Google Flights from military time to standard time. First, visit the Google Flights website and perform a flight search by entering any destination. Once the search results appear, you'll notice that the flight times are displayed in military time, which is based on the 24-hour clock system. If you prefer using the standard 12-hour clock with AM and PM indicators, you can change this easily. Scroll down to the bottom of the Google Flights page where you'll find the language option. Click on it, and if the current setting is English United Kingdom, simply switch it to English United States. The US English language setting uses the 12-hour time format by default. After selecting the new language, click OK to apply the changes. Now, go back to your flight search results and expand the flight information again. You will see that the times are now displayed in the standard AM and PM format. This makes it easier for those more accustomed to the 12-hour system. And that's how you can change the time display on Google Flights from military time to standard time.